Hey guys, I'm Fancy, and you're watching the Good Wives Network, and we are back with a Monster in Your Bed quick update. So, we have been following the Mica Miller case on our new series, Monster in Your Bed. We have covered her memorial service, we've covered a couple of different pieces of evidence in this, and today I want to read to you a press release that came from JP, John Paul Miller's attorney, Russel B. Long. Now, Russell owns his own firm, and he is an attorney there in Myrtle Beach, and he wrote this press release, and it's dated May 9th of 2024. So it's dated May 9th, and the subject matter says, clarification regarding the passing of Mica Miller. Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, the law offices of Russel B. Long, on behalf of our client, Pastor John Paul Miller, issues this press release to clarify the circumstances surrounding the tragic passing of Mica Miller. Following the untimely death of Mica Miller, unfounded rumors and false accusations began circulating on social media and in various media outlets suggesting Pastor Miller's involvement in her demise. This created a buzz, causing local and national media outlets to begin proliferating these falsehoods on a mammoth proportion. Our client refutes any report that suggests he ever abused his wife. Recent reports claim that Pastor Miller groomed his wife from the age of 10 years old couldn't be farther from the truth. She moved to Myrtle Beach at the age of 15, was married to another man at the age of 18, and divorced at the age of 21. It has come to light that Mica Miller struggled with mental illness, specifically bipolar disorder, which when not properly managed, led to paranoid episodes and self-destructive behavior. Again, Mica suffered from mental illness, and some reports made by her in the recent past are nonsensical. This unfortunate reality underscores the importance of destigmatizing mental health issues and ensuring those affected receive appropriate support and treatment. We wish to emphasize that after a thorough investigation by Robeson County, North Carolina Sheriff's Office, it has been conclusively determined that Ms. Miller's death was the result of a self-inflicted gunshot wound. The finding completely exonerates Pastor Miller of any wrongdoing. These baseless claims and false reporting have caused immense distress and harm to Pastor Miller and his family and needs to stop immediately. We hereby demand that all individuals and media outlets cease and desist from perpetuating these harmful falsehoods. Any further dissemination of defamatory and libelous statements will be met with legal action. A complete inventory of these defamatory and libelous statements have been conducted. Those that have to date violated Pastor Miller's right to live in peace and to mourn the passing of his wife respectfully will be held accountable. Those that choose to allow any previously posted or published false statements about Pastor Miller to remain in the public domain can expect to be served with civil litigation against them individually, and when appropriate, their media organizations and managerial supervisors can expect the same. We have the right to free speech, but not that speech which is false and harmful to the subject of that speech. Many media outlets have reached out to Pastor Miller for comment, and we direct all future requests for comment to be directly to attorney Russel B. Long at his Myrtle Beach office. We appreciate your cooperation in respecting Pastor Miller's right to grieve and mourn his wife's passing without undue interference or slander. Sincerely, Russel B. Long, law offices of Russel B. Long. So they released this on May 9th, and basically they're just saying, hey, you guys are saying all kinds of horrible things about this man who has nothing wrong with him. He's never done a damn thing in his whole life. He didn't groom his wife at 15. He's not suspicious in any way. He has not cheated on his first wife with his second wife, or he's not had a mistress while he was married to his second wife. He's not abused her in any way, and he certainly should not be looked at for her death. So you guys just need to roll on. That's basically what the whole gist of this is. And so there you have it, folks, the official announcement from Russel B. Long representing J.P. Miller in the passing of Mica. Not very heartfelt there. No indication of how hard it has been on him mentally because of the passing of his wife. Just that people are getting the story wrong. That's really upsetting to him. That's just it. That people are looking into her death and saying that, hey, something isn't right, including her family. But hey, what do they know? They're just her family, right? They don't know anything. He knows everything, and he is a godly man, and he should never be questioned at all. And we will be following this up with the rules for women in their church that JP wrote. It's quite interesting. It's 22 pages. Very, very interesting. Have a good one from the Good Wives, serving up true crime, one dish at a time. Bye, guys.